Hello and welcome. This is a channel to help you learn English in a simple and natural way. In this video, you will listen to English slowly and clearly. You don't need to understand every word. Just relax, listen, and follow the ideas. English is learned with time, patience, and practice. Let's begin. In this video, we will learn about the importance of sleep. Sleep is one of the most important parts of our daily life, but many people do not give it enough attention. Every day, our body and our mind work hard. We think, we move, we solve problems, and we make decisions. Sleep is the time when the body stops and recovers. It is the moment when the mind can rest and organize thoughts. Without good sleep, everything becomes harder. When we sleep well, our body feels stronger and lighter the next day. We wake up with more energy and more focus. Simple tasks feel easier to do. Our reactions are faster, and our mood is usually better. Sleep helps the body repair itself quietly during the night. Muscles relax, the heart slows down, and the body finds balance again. This process is natural and very important. Sleep is also essential for the mind. During sleep, the brain processes information from the day. It organizes memories and helps us learn. When we do not sleep enough, the mind feels confused and slow. It becomes difficult to concentrate or remember things. Even simple decisions can feel heavy. Good sleep supports clear thinking and better understanding. Many people believe that sleeping less means having more time. They try to work more or stay awake longer. But this often creates the opposite effect. Without enough sleep, productivity decreases. The body feels tired, and mistakes become more common. In the long term, lack of sleep can harm health and motivation. Rest is not a waste of time. It is an investment. Sleep also affects emotions. When we are tired, those can feel very big. We may feel impatient, stressed, or sad without a clear reason. Sleep helps regulate emotions and keeps them more stable. A rested mind reacts with more calm and balance. This helps relationships, communication, and daily life. Creating a good sleep routine is very important. Going to bed at a similar time every night helps the body understand when it is time to rest. The body likes rhythm and routine. When sleep becomes regular, it becomes deeper and more restorative. This does not require perfection, only consistency. The environment also plays a role in sleep quality. A quiet, dark, and comfortable place helps the body relax. Too much light or noise can disturb sleep. Using screens before bed can also make it harder to rest. A calm environment sends a signal to the mind that it is safe to slow down. Sleep is closely connected to learning. When we sleep well, learning becomes easier. The brain can absorb information more naturally. This is especially important for people learning a new language. Sleep helps the brain remember new words and sounds. It supports long-term progress without extra effort. Good sleep also supports physical health over time. It helps control energy levels, appetite, and immunity. People who sleep well often feel more balanced during the day. They have more patience and better control of their actions. These benefits grow slowly but steadily. It is important to understand that sleep needs are different for each person. Some people need more hours, others need less. What matters most is how you feel during the day. Feeling rested and clear is a good sign. Listening to your body is always important. Improving sleep does not need to be complicated. Small changes can make a big difference. Going to bed a little earlier, reducing noise, or creating a calm routine before sleep can help. These small actions build better habits over time. Sleep is not something to fix in one night. It is a daily practice. Just like learning or exercising, it improves with patience and consistency. The goal is not perfect sleep, but better sleep. In conclusion, sleep is a quiet but powerful part of life. It supports the body, the mind, and emotions. It helps us learn, focus, and feel better. When we respect sleep, we respect ourselves. Good days often begin with good nights, and healthy sleep builds a healthier life.